Copilot in Word. So once you open up the application, you should see these quick prompts up here on top. If you don't, just use the shortcut Alt-I and they should pop up. You also can go to the top right corner and find the Copilot icon. This does populate on the side instead of up top here in the document, but it does the same thing. Plus, it allows you to chat. Okay, so they give you some example prompts here that you can just run, and then a text box below it to write your own prompt. What makes Copilot special is you can access other information within your Microsoft 365 environment by clicking here and attaching a file. This has been such a time saver for us specifically. Simple tasks like restructuring documents, for example. So let's say you have a Word doc in paragraph form that you want in more of a bulleted fashion, or repurposing content. Let's say you have a presentation from a webinar you want to repurpose into a blog post. These tasks that would take hours now just take seconds. Let's walk through a quick example that we see a lot with our clients, which is creating SOPs. With Copilot, you can avoid any duplicate efforts in this area. It's very common to have meetings and discussions around specific procedures, so now you can reference those unstructured conversations and get them into an SOP format effortlessly. Just type, help me draft, keyword draft, remember to reread everything and check for accuracy. Help me draft an SOP. Attach the transcript and hit go. Now, when I click the attached icon, there was a meeting tab where you could pull the meeting info directly from the meeting, but I already had the transcript exported into Word, so I just used that, but you can use either. And just like that, you have a drafted SOP. You can attach multiple documents too, so if you have a bunch of documents that all reference something at some point, this is a great way to pull that all together. Okay, so after it's complete, a pop-up will appear and you can choose to keep what it generated, regenerate if it wasn't exactly what you were looking for, or totally discard. You can also add more information and feedback here, like maybe it forgot a specific section or you want it in a different tone. Just type your feedback and it'll regenerate based on that. So I'll choose to keep it. Then from there, anytime you want to utilize Copilot again in the same document, just do that shortcut I mentioned earlier, Alt-I, and a pop-up will appear. See here, you can also click Inspire, which essentially gives Copilot creative freedom to produce based on the content already in the document, no prompt necessary.